Hi everyone. Today we are seeing grape saree, budget friendly grape saree. It's a good quality and unique designs. Each sarees have unique designs. Beautiful saree collections. First one is a maroon color with purple color border. The border have lace work also. In full body of the saree have a small print, inside have stone work. Beautiful saree, premium quality only. Saree without blouse, saree length 5.5 meter only. Next one, sea blue saree, the body full of have square work, square print. Saree cost 250 only. Wine color with small flower designs. Saree without blouse, 5.5 meter, premium quality product. This is peach color, in full body have the small flower print. Saree cost 250 only, free shipping all over India. This is lavender color saree, have multiple color design. Saree cost 250 only, 5.5 meter without blouse. Next one is checked saree, checked pink color, border have ash color. Next saree, pink color, dark pink, small design. Saree cost 250 only, free shipping all over India. Wow. Next one is green color with superb print. Next one is off-white saree, maroon border, full body have a flower print. Next one is digital flower print with dark pink border, superb saree. All are simple design only, mainly teachers collection. Bye. Next we are seeing each pictures in individual. The digital print saree, green color saree, super print. Off-white saree, maroon border, flower print. The dark pink saree, checked saree, pink. Lavender saree, peach color, wine color. Order, contact me, WhatsApp 875 475 1073. Thank you.